about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hello everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. You know, this is the month of May already. 现在已经5月了哈，其实天气渐渐在暖和了，热了哈。Let's teach people about the heat, getting hot, because that's how the weather is going to be in the next few months for sure. 所以热怎么说呢？
捏
哦，捏，听起来就好黏哦，黏哒哒的捏 sounds very sticky, doesn't it? And that means hot or the heat, right? 那这个台湾的夏天很热 ，Summertime in Taiwan is very hot.
台灣嘅熱天凍熱，
台灣嘅熱天凍熱 Okay, that means Taiwan's summer is hot, it's humid and hot.
那海陸腔的很熱就是凍熱，
還要加一個凍啊，
就很熱，
很熱啊，凍熱 Okay, that's a different dialect for describing the heat. Alright, 其實熱呢不一定是跟这个温度有关系，热也可以去描述一些感觉跟心情跟事项，对不对？ The term hot could also be used as other adjectives such as passionate, 很熱情。
熱情，
熱情 Okay, that's very passionate. 很多时候大家都说南部人都很熱情。
南部人全部都愛熱情
啊，这好长哦。要我一次这样玩吗？好，分段。
南部人，
南部人
就是南部人。
南部人 Okay, people from the south.
全部都
全部都就全部都哦 all of them are
愛熱情，
愛熱情 OK
很熱情
啊！我是南部人呢，有没有感受到我的熱情啊？我一次念完，南部人全部都愛熱情。哇 See 多熱情啊 That's passionate, all right? Here's another adjective that uses the word hot. OK, 这是另外一个词呢，又跟热有关系，就是热闹。闹热 that's crowded and bustling. 其实我们常常说英文 crowded 只是很挤，热闹是有点带一点的那种气氛在里面，很嗨很开心的气氛，所以要说 bustle and hustle 那种感觉，而不是 crowded 而已。顺便教一下大家一点点英文。好，我们来造一个句子哦。During New Year's, our house is always crowded and lively. OK, 每次过年呢，家里都很热闹。
大拜過年不下都動鬧熱。
哇，又一个好长的句子啊！我自討苦吃，来吧！大拜過年不下都動鬧熱。There you go. See, I can do this. 好了，我要去吹冷氣了。
OK.
That's it for today's practical Hakka.
師傅大家。
漢字say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.